In figure below, segment PR is perpendicular to segment PT. So we have here PR perpendicular to PT. And segment PQ, so we have here PQ is perpendicular to PS. Prove that the measure of angle A is equal to, this is the letter A, and this is angle A, and is equal to the measure of angle B. Here's the angle B. So we can redraw these two angles here. So the two 90-degree angles. So first we will draw this TPR. This is TPR. And we have inside angle B in the angle X. Also, we also have the SPQ. Also right angles. So they are right angles. The total measure is 90 degrees. Also here, 90 degrees. This is SPQ. So inside this area is angle A and angle X. So from these two, we can write, from here we can write measure of angle B plus the measure of angle X is equal to 90 degrees, because the total angle here is 90 degrees because they are perpendicular. The segment PT and PR are perpendicular. Also here, we can write measure of angle A plus the measure of angle X is equal to 90 degrees, because the total is 90 degrees, since SP or PS and PQ are perpendicular. So we combine these two, since they are the same, equal 90 degrees. So measure of angle A plus the measure of angle X is equal to the measure of angle A. This one is B. Sorry. B plus the measure of angle X. So we will transfer this one item here of the other side. So we have the measure of angle B is equal to measure of angle A plus the measure of angle X. Since we transfer this one, the sign will be negative. So these two will be subtracted. So we have the measure of angle B equal to the measure of angle A. Or you can write as measure of angle A equal to the measure of angle B. So this proves the statement. Thank you.